Oh, I lied.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA radio all-hazard warning device for station WXK94 in Lewis, Delaware. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, at 12 noon between 11 a.m. and 1 If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. One section of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using more quality at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near Lewis, Delaware, Kent and Sussex, in New Jersey, Cape May, in Maryland, Carolina, Dorchester, Wicomico, and Worcester. And on the marine, the coastal waters from Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey south to Chesapeake Peak, Virginia out 40 nautical miles, including Delaware radio all hazards. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA radio all hazards. Station WXK94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.